After you install the G7 software, you have to set up the machine and connect it to the software. So now I showed you how to set up the machine. So in the C drive, you can find a GravelStype 7000 folder. And in the folder, you can find a driver folder. To set up the machine, you have to choose the G7 SmartStream 4100. For the setup, you have to use the administration option to set up the machine. So right-click the setup, choose the administration option. Because we have to connect the machine to the USB, so we choose USB and press next step. Now you can see it shows you the switch off the machine. I switch off. Now it delete the previous driver and then set up the new one. Now you're waiting for the setup. So here you will see to switch on the machine. Now I switch it on. So you see you set up the driver here. So you see the GT SmartStream machine is already installed. So you can go to the printer, you will find the GT SmartStream machine here. The second step is how to connect the machine with the software. After you're running the software, you can choose the machining, set up machine. You can see add machine here. So choose the GravelStype machine and select which machine you buy. So now this time I select M20 IQ. Press add. So before we set up the GT SmartStream here. So connect to the GT SmartStream. Press the click key option. So press OK. Exit. So now you can see a machine is set up here. Now I show you how to set up the engraving area. So using a measurement tools to measure the width and the height. Then go to the file and set up a new. So you will see this option. This is the width. This is the height of the objects. So we change it to 50, 28. And also you can set up your own margin by clicking this. So now you see the engraving areas are like this. Now I showed you how to engrave a very simple text on the page. So choose the text here, T. And then you can change the height of the character. Now I change to 3 mm. Click here and then type. So I just type the words here. It's in the center of the plate. To change the font size, the fonts of the character, so mark it and then select which font you like. So you will see 1L, 4L. 1L means 1 line, single line. 4L means 4 lines. So I choose the 4 lines. And here you can see now the character changed to 4 lines. To engrave these words on the plate, so we choose the machining option. So here, you will see at the left hand corner, there is 4 options. So now we're choosing the center options, this orientation. So you can change this option also. But now it's center and also the vertical options. So this is the speed of the engraving. We can change this one. For better performance, slow is better, and also you can choose a medium options also. This is the depth of the engraving. So we choose maybe 0.2. So this option is motoring. So normally we click this one, stop, and then we run. So once you hear the beep sound, then the engraving job is sent to the machine. So after we send the engraving job to the machine, then I'll show you how to work on the machine. So put the plate here. Then press the green key. Then press the tip key. Then we start engraving. Sometimes this is very hard to measure the width and the height of the object. So we are using the red light to select the engraving area. Now go to here and select the third folder, press here. Then you go to the machine to select the first font. After you select the area, then click the tick key to confirm. Then you will see the area will change, like this. Then we go to engrave. So you can see it's now not on the center, it's only on the floating point here. Then everything the same as before to set up the speed, the engraving depth, and then run. After you hear the beep sound, and go to the machine and work on the machine. Calibration of the machine. So when we receive the machine, you need to calibrate whether the cutter is at the center or not. So how to do the calibration? We need to press these two keys at the same time. So now I press these two keys. So we'll see the cutter whether it's at the center or not. So if you can't see clearly, you can press the Z key to lower down the cutter or to lose it to see whether it's at the center or not. You can use these 4 keys to move the cutter forward, backward, left or right, like this. So once you find the cutter is at the center, you press the tick key to confirm the setting. After you hear the beep sound, the red light also go to the center. If not at the center, you can use the left or the right to move it. After you confirm it's at the center, you press the tick key to confirm. Then that is the calibration of the machine.